Oh,
universal and equitable access to safe and affordable drinking water, access to equitable sanitation, and to all water-related ecosystem, including mountain, coastal, forest, wetland, river, and aquifer and lakes. So this goal is to ensure nga maka-access sila og clean water and og naay proper sanitation, and also to protect og ma-restore nila ang water-related ecosystem like river, lakes, and wetland. Next, please. So how is culture relevant? So traditional knowledge can provide lesson toward fostering and appropriate sustainable use of water-related ecosystem. So by embracing the wisdom of traditional knowledge, we can create a more sustainable and equitable future for water resources and related ecosystem. So what can cities do? Connection between culture and environmental sustainability. So by recognizing the interconnectedness of culture and sustainability, cities can create more reliable, equitable, and resilient urban environment for all. Next, please. Next. So next is goal number 7, affordable and clean energy. Aims to ensure universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services. Substantially increase the share of renewable energy in the global energy mix. So this goal to ensure that everyone regardless sa kalain-laing socio-economic status kay maka-access silang energy that affordable, reliable, og modern food. Like next. So how is culture relevant? So cultural factor often inadvertently underpin energy production and consumption patterns. And so by recognizing the cultural dimension of energy, we can create more sustainable and equitable energy future. So what can cities do? By embracing creativity and innovation, cities can unlock a new era of sustainable energy solution, transforming their urban landscape and contributing to more and sustainable future. Next, please. So, goal number 8, decent work and economic growth. Achievement to sustain per capita economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent job for all women and men. Equal pay for work of equal value. So this goal is to ensure to sustain economic growth and provide productivity for employment na dapat is equal pay ta with all gender. Di ta magpili-pili, dapat fair ta sa tanang sweldo. Next please. So how is culture relevant? So have a potential to be areas for inclusive, sustainable, and fair employment. So, um, by by prioritizing culture as the foundation for inclusive, sustainable, and fair employment, organization can create workplace where everyone feels valued, respected, and empowered to contribute their best. So what can cities do? Ensure that the local tourism model is sustainable, balanced across the city or region, connected to the local communities, and interactive with the cultural ecosystem. Include cultural knowledge, skills, and job and employability programs. cities can create a tourism model that benefit both residents and visitors, foster economic growth, and preserve the city's cultural heritage. So next, please. So next is goal number 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure. So the development of equality, reliable, sustainable, and resilient infrastructure, ensuring affordable and equitable access for all, inclusive and sustainable industrialization. So this goal, it's so very obvious that we aim for good and high quality of product. So we make sure to the customer expectation. So mo ni giingon nga if you are an artist, dapat imigit i-ensure nga imong product is maka-gain of interest sa mga buyers and also their quality kay we want to satisfy our customer with the product they purchase from us. Next, please. So, how is culture relevant? So, cultural infrastructure providing affordable and equitable access to and opportunities to participate in cultural life are part of the quality, re, reliable, sustainable, and resilient infrastructure that should be available to everyone. So, by providing affordable and equitable access to cultural opportunities, we build a more inclusive, vibrant, and resilient society. So, what can cities do? Ensure the availability of a variety of financing mechanisms for-profit cultural projects such as microcredit, venture capital, and sponsorship programs. So cities can create an environment where cultural entrepreneurs can flourish, enriching the lives of their residents and contributing to the city overall success. Next, reported by Janet Ombay. Sige.
Go. Kinaday.
Feel na ko signal. Wait sa... Nang... Okay. Goal number 10. Reduce inequalities. Eating the inequalities among countries. This goal focuses on reducing inequalities within and between countries. So, ang tumamaw ang pagtukod og mas patas nga kalibutan din ang tanan adunay patas nga mga oportunidad bisan unsa pa ilang background o location. And also this involves tackling various forms of discriminations based sa ilang gender, religion, age, sexual orientation ug sa uban status. And also addressing inequalities among countries. So this involves reducing the gap between developed and developing nations. So for example, fair trade, promoting fair prices for good produce in developing countries. So siguro nga mga producer makadawat og patas nga bahin sa ganun. Next. Next is culture relevant. Contribute to empowering and promoting the inclusion of all people. So culture plays a vital role in empowering individuals and fostering inclusivity. It shapes our identities, values, and beliefs. Nga maka-impluwensya kung sa unsang paagi kita makig-uban sa kalibutan sa usa. And what cities can do: integrate within cultural policies, recognize
and celebrate cultural diversity, promote intergenerational through cultures. So cities can develop and implement policies that explicitly address cultural diversity and inclusion. So cities can actively recognize and celebrate the cultural richness of their communities, pinaagi sa mga panghitabo, mga visual, public art o mga programa sa edukasyon. So, next. Next, goal number 11. Sustainable cities and communities. Ensure access to adequate and affordable housing, basic services, and transport systems. So, this goal focuses on making cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, and resilient, and sustainable. Usa ka importanteng bahin mao ang pagsiguro sa access sa igong lawas ug barato nga puy-anan, basic services o mga systems. Next, how is culture relevant? Elements of tangible and intangible cultural heritage. So, the tangible cultural heritage, these are physical objects and places that reflect a culture's history and values. And the intangible cultural heritage, these are non-physical aspects of culture, including practices, representations, expressions, knowledge, and skills. So, how cities can act, adapt culture, keep an updated inventory, recognize public space. So cities can actively preserve and promote culture through several strategies. So this implementing policies that protect and promote cultural heritage. And this will include that tax incentives for the restoration of historic buildings or grants for cultural organization. So next, goal number 12, responsible consumption and production patterns. So this goal emphasizes the importance of shifting towards sustainable consumption and production patterns. So the core of this goal is about making sure that the way we produce and consume goods is dili makadabog o dili mag-usik sa mga resources para sa ubang na mga henerasyon. And next, how is culture relevant? Local traditional products, local and traditional products. So, wait. Asa na ko? Okay. How is culture relevant? Traditional products are crucial aspects of cultural identity and heritage. So they reflect the history, skills, and values of a their presence helps preserve cultural practices and traditions. So, mga examples na ni kay mga handicrafts ng weaving, pottery, wood carving, and etc. Then, how cities can act, recognize gastronomy to promote citizen initiative. Cities can actively support local and traditional products through this Through this action, recognize gastronomy. Cities can promote their local culinary heritage by supporting local restaurants and food producers, organizing food festivals, and establishing culinary tourism routes. So this could involve creating designated culinary districts or providing grant local food, facilitate food and facilitate promote citizen initiatives. Cities can actively support citizen-led initiatives aimed at preserving and promoting local and products. This might involve providing funding, resources, or space for community-based workshops, markets, or cultural events showcasing local products. So next is goal number 13, climate actions. So this goal focuses on taking urgent action to combat climate change at its impact. So strengthen resilience, so, building the capacity of communities and ecosystems to withstand the impact of climate change, and disaster preparedness, develop early warning systems, evacuation plans, and emergency response mechanisms to minimize impact of extreme weather events. And infrastructure improvements, building up structures as flood defenses, drought resistant, heat resistant buildings, and community-based adaptations, empowering local communities to develop and implement their own adaptation strategies, and take the city, improve the ability of communities and to adapt to change climate. So next, how culture relevant. So and environmental stewardship passed down through generations. So, and then indigenous knowledge of sustainable agriculture. So many indigenous communities around the world possess traditional farming techniques that are highly sustainable, such as crop rotation, intercropping, and using natural pest control methods. Traditional building techniques. Traditional building methods often utilize locally resourced materials and designs adapted to the local climate, minimizing energy consumption and environmental impact. How cities can act. So, explicit, explicitly recognize cultural policies, and establish working of task force. So the cities focus on integrating cultural consideration into policies and establishing dedicated groups to address these issues. So explicitly recognize culturally relevant policies. This means actively incorporating cultural perspectives and practices into cities planning, urban design, and environmental policies. And establishing a working group of task force. This involves ako.